What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. Today it is very interesting and unusual to be back into the vlog format. I haven't done a video like this in a while because I've been creating all these like other types of videos. Today, Kearney and I are beginning to clean the transmission and get that thing ready to be primed and painted and stuff like that. I don't think I'll paint it today or prime it or anything like that, but we're just getting it ready. We're gonna disassemble the shifter linkage, clean everything up, and just basically prep the trans. So I got Kearney over here right now. She's wire brushing the thing. So basically we're just gonna wire brush the whole thing, get it all cleaned up, hopefully get it down to basically bare metal. And I just want to vlog today. I just want to bring you guys around with what I'm doing, talk to you guys, hang out. Something else we're gonna be doing today is I'm having my friend Rob come and detail the inside of the BMW so that I can start taking photos and get this thing listed for sale. We'll go take photos of the car. It'll be a grand time. It'll be a great time. It'll be awesome. It's like 52 degrees in January right now, so we're just enjoying this nice day being outside. Also, here's the Civic. Check it out. So this is the current state of the Civic. Here it is. It's so sad. It's such a sad car right now. The engine bay is like empty. I'm trying to get that battery tray out of there, but one of the bolts is stripped. Shout out strip bolt in the back there. So I gotta buy a bolt extractor kit for that, hopefully get that thing out. And then the engine bay is kind of just gonna be like this for a little while until it starts to get closer to the time where the motor's getting ready to go back in. Then I'll clean it up, paint it and all that stuff. It'll be better eventually, but it's just gonna be a sad car for a little while. Here's the interior. This is what's going on in here. I know that I've already kind of told you guys like my plan for the interior, and it's changed a little bit, but it's pretty much going to be staying with the original plan, but I'll fill you guys in a little bit later. The car wash, and then gonna take some cool pictures. Do I go? I think I go. Bye.
Ooh, dang, look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Wowie. Wowie. Look at that. Beautiful sunset. I have a photo of every car that I've owned in this exact spot right here with a sunset behind it, so I gotta nail it here. I don't have a lot of sunlight left, so this is my chance.
Day in the life.
Finishing off the night with some nachos and a nice brewski. Whoa. Alright, show them which one you're getting. No, that's stout. They don't have it. It's gone.
No, really?
Yeah, look, wheat.
Damn, that's
Blue Moon, yeah, wow. I got this one. I can't say that out loud, but that's the one that I got. Dude, we also got like the world's best nachos ever.
I should, just in case.
Alright, so really quickly before I end this video, I just have like two more things to say. First thing is, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm giving away an entire year of YouTube revenue in like October, and you can't win unless you're subscribed. So there's that. Please subscribe if you'd like to win an entire year of YouTube revenue. Thing number two, I didn't completely finish prepping the transmission. It's boring to do, it's boring to watch. I can only handle so much of it at a time, and I'm sure that you guys probably feel the same way. I'm gonna just be finishing prepping it off camera, and then you guys won't see anything of it until I'm ready to start painting it and doing the fun stuff and making it look super cool. I'm saving you guys a little bit of having to watch something boring, but that thing is gonna look awesome when it's done. Same with the shifter linkage. And that's all I have to say. So as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Please like this video, and like I said, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.
It's the right time. It's been a few more completions. We'll find out how he and his team know how to finish. And yes, he gets the magnitude of the moment. A 24-year-old in the 100th year of the NFL trying to add the 50-year wait.
Kearney, if you could use one word to describe the nachos, what would be the word?
Delicious.
Wow, so basic.
What would you say?
I would say the word that I would use to describe those nachos is
Lickable.
chaotic happiness. I guess that's 2 words. I mess it up too.